Ladies and gentlemen, this is not a malfunction of your screen. This is really the chicken that they're selling at Publix. Now, with this being said, brainwash is most definitely easier to pull off when you have meat inside of the store that's like that, priced at such a high price. There's not too much more to say than welcome to green food. This is all the steroid, synthetic bullshit chicken and food that you've been feeding your family. Just take a look at it for yourself if you'd like. You don't have to believe me. This is one of many.